Yes everybody, it's finally that time. We are going to wash the Astra. I know loads of you have been moaning saying oh it's filthy and that, but been really busy in the house. But it's time, we've got daylight. We're going to wash the Astra and get it looking gleaming, so let's get to it. I'll show you what's actually being done at the moment. So I've got the hose outside, which is there. We're going to do a 3 bucket method, so we got 1 bucket there and then obviously them 2. So we're going to separate those in a minute. So we're going to have 1 for wheels, 1 for wash and 1 for like a rinse, so we can just rinse out the mitt. And what I'll do now is I'll get some sleeky shots of the Astra while it looks dirty, and then we'll get to the wash. So as you can probably tell, the Astra is really dirty. Look at the state of that, man, it is absolutely filthy. So what the plan is, we're going to get all the soapy water and all that goodness going, and we're going to do a 3 bucket method, nice clean rinse off and all that goodness. So I'll just go through the steps that I'm going to use to clean the car, and then we'll just go from there really. So hopefully we get some good footage. So let's get the hose out. If I'm honest, I'm really looking forward to using that, because that was my old one, which was off eBay, just a genuine eBay one. So I want to compare the difference between this one to that one. I'm hoping it's going to be thick as hell on the beast. So hopefully that does its wonders. I'll link that in the description by the way, just in case anyone's after it. If it actually is better than the replica. Let's see. So I know it's a mess, but like I say, bear with me because perfection takes time, and this house is definitely taking its time. So we've got my old Karcher K2, which has been through the wars. I've had this thing for about 4 or 5 years, and it is battered. This thing is, look, it's even like cracked all down there. What we're gonna do, gonna rinse the car down first just to get any of the dirt off, and then we're gonna get the snow foam on it to try and pull some of the dirt off. So let's do it. Right then, so let's get to it. The thing that really gets me is how clean it looks after just a rinse, and I ain't even touched it with any soap or anything like that. So it's mad how just like a quick rinse can make it look really clean. So we're going to rinse the other side, and then we are going to apply the snow foam. So So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put about 1 to 2 inches, so I'll probably put up to 200 on there, and then we'll test out the snow foam on the whip. Let's do it. So what I've done there is I've put about 1 to 2 inches in. It's just up to 200 ml on the finger. It says put hot water in, so I'm going to put some warm water into the top, shake it all about, and then let's get it on. So let's do it. Right then, so that's in. Do it up. Then give it a little shake. Just do it. Get it all flowing. So now let's get it on the car. Right then, let's do it. So basically I've only done this bit here that you can see on the roof, and already it is massively thicker than the replica one I've got. So just off the bat I would definitely recommend getting an auto bright one. Do not even bother. I know it's like half the price for a fake one, but this definitely does the job. Definitely. Look how thick it is. It's like foam, whereas the other one's like spitty, kind of watery. So this is definitely the stuff. Look how thick it is. Actually wicked. Look at it. That's proof I'm actually washing the car. You know, one thing that pisses me off about having a house, see that car there? Doesn't even live on the road. It lives like 3 roads away, and it just parks outside the house and then just disappears. That is a bugbearer. If you've got a house and you've got a drive, park on it or park outside your own house. Don't be filling up everyone else's street with cars, because it's just bullshit. So anyway, as we are, use the snow foam and the new Lance, them 2 babies there, and it is so thick, so I'm going to leave it for about 5, maybe 10 minutes. Let it all seep off the dirt. Oh, look at it, she looks epic. And then we'll give her the rinse off. So what we're going to do now is we're going to rinse the beast off. So we're just going to get the hose it down, and then we're going to sort out some shampoo and stuff, and then give the car a quick wash. That is what we'll do. So there we go, all is basically done. 2 bucket method, that one there. Look how dirty the water is now. 2 bucket method wash. And there she is, man. There she is. It's like glass. Looks absolutely mint. What do you think, guys? Looks banging, don't you think?